Alright, we'll go ahead and hold it here. Well, there we go. It's not quite all done. We got to tighten a few things up. Probably adjust the seat down a little bit. Hey, get back over there with your bike.
Yeah, I think we'll have to raise this part of the seat down.
Put that part down.
Yeah, because it doesn't really feel right.
Okay. Does the back feel about right then?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I think the bike looks pretty sharp myself. Good choice on color. Now, do you want the white wall on the front or do you want the black wall tire? I would have picked one up today, but I couldn't remember what size it was.
Well, the front one looks original, but the back one, it looks good. It looks good, but I like the front one better.
So what, you want a new one with the white wall?
Yeah.
On the front? Okay. Well, they've got them. I saw them there.
Okay.
Alright, so anyway, so with the seat, here, seat's back. Get back on your seat.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, push down on it. About right there?
Yeah.
Okay. After you ride it, we can finish adjusting it. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, that's better.
A lot better. Okay, now is your handlebar straight? Does it feel straight?
Kind of.
Do the handlebars feel like you're in the line? Right there?
Yeah. Is that still recording?
Yep. About a minute or so left. There, I ought to do that. I don't think we ever loosened that. Okay, there's that. Alright, I think that's it. Look at that. She's got a brand new bike. That'll last. Not that garbage they sell nowadays. Alright, well, we'll talk to you later. Have a good day.
Chain.